Hi, this is Amy from CrochetJewel Channel, and I'm going to show you how to make this crochet shawl. It's 21.5 inches in height, and the width is 42 inches. I used the entire cake with 33 rows with an F hook, and it's 8.8 ounces. The pattern is down below. This is really easy and great for beginners to make this shawl. It turned out really nice after it was finished. It is great jam for the color. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start with a chain 3. There is a link down below on how to place your video in slow motion if this is too fast. This is an F hook, so yarn over and pull through for your chains. Yarn over, and in the first chain, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's to complete a double crochet. This entire pattern is done in the double crochet. You're going to create another double crochet. You can always pause the video if this is too fast. I'm going to create 4 double crochet, including that chain 3, and then chain 3, create 4 double crochet. This pattern is in the multiples of 4 double crochet. Okay, so it's going to look like this. And now you're going to chain 3, and in that same stitch you're going to work 3 double crochet, and as you go along this is just going to get bigger and bigger until you have all of your rows that you desired. You can always make this bigger by adding more rows, and once you get going it's pretty easy. Chain 1. In that chain space you're going to work 4 double crochet, and then a chain 3 and 4 double crochet. Now you're going to chain 1, and then in the last stitch work 4 double crochet, now you're going to chain 3 and turn, and in the same space, the same stitch, you're going to work 3 double crochet, and this is all repeat now. You're just expanding and getting bigger each time you turn your work. I will have a playlist for cardigans, shawls, and ponchos down below if you'd like to take a look. Now chain one, and then in the next space, if it's a chain one, you will work 4 double crochet. Okay, make sure you did your chain one, and then in the chain three space, which is going down the middle, this is just a repeat of 4 double crochet, a chain three, and 4 double crochet. And then you just keep repeating this until you have your desired width of this pattern. Okay, chain one, and then work 4 double crochet in the chain one space. And then on that last stitch, you will work the 4 double crochet. Okay, so now this is just all repeat again, and if you need to watch more to fully understand, you can watch one more round, but this is just all repeat. Every time you're on the corner, you'll work your 3 double crochet, and then on the other corner when you finish, it'll be 4 double crochet, and then every chain one space gets 4 double crochet, and the center chain three gets 4 double crochet, chain three, 4 double crochet. So it just gets bigger and bigger, and it's pretty easy to make. Okay, so this is what it looks like finished. It turned out really nice. This was done in the cotton yarn. I think it would look really nice in a soft yarn as well. You can always make this bigger. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.